Yeah, hello, my student. How are you? I shall start to review these lessons one by one. And if it's cutting, you just follow the parts, part one, part two, and part three. I will sequentially upload the videos recording. So we have the inverse function. We took this before. What's the inverse function? For example, if you have fx equal 5x plus 10, we know fx is y. Fx is the same as y. So let's say you can convert this equation to y equal 5x plus 10. Inverse function, only your place instead in the place of y, you will put x, and in the place of x, you put y. That's all. You see, I swap places. I put x instead of y, and I put y instead of x, and then I work the equation for y. What does that mean? I have to work the equation for y. I like to make from the y the subject. So you just change, you put the 10 on the other side, or you put here minus 10, and you put here also minus 10, so that you get rid of the 10. And sequentially, you reach up, you divide by 5, so that you make y the subject. You can write this in this way or this way. It's the same thing. It doesn't matter. So y equal x minus 10 over 5. Y for us is the inverse function of fx. Y for us is the inverse function of fx. The same thing, this one also. You change it to y. You replace instead of yx, and you put in the place of xy, and you work the equation for y. And these steps are, we know these steps. I have to work the subject for y, so I have to get rid of minus 4. What I say, I add 4 here, and I add 4 on the other side. You have to add 4 to both places. And you continue until I want y. So we take the root square of y square here, and you take the root square from the other side also. Okay, so the root square of y square is y, and then we have the inverse function. This is the inverse function of this one here. Okay, we write it like this: f to the power minus 1. This is the inverse function, which is the same. It is the y. I put f to the minus 1 in the place of y. So this is y equals square root of x plus 4, and this is the inverse function of the function at the top here. Okay,